Why outsource copy-paste data entry services? Introduction to copy-paste data entry services. This service includes taking information from one source and copying it into another format. Source format may be a website or any other document, and the form file can be an Excel or MS Word document. Data transfer from one file format to another is a common exercise in all business processes because every file format has diverse advantages to offer. Sometimes it may be a tedious job and takes much of the business resources. Outsourcing copy-paste data entry services to a reliable company is the best option for the better future of the company. You can make your office's skilled internal team perform simple copy-pasting jobs, but the best part is that you should utilize their skills on the core tasks that give you business. For copy-pasting tasks, you must try outsourcing the service to a dependable company like Data Entry Inc. What businesses need copy-paste data entry service? Copy-paste data entry plays a major role in numerous businesses, especially in marketing. Data experts of the service company have to copy customer addresses, email IDs, phone numbers, and other related information from publicly available databases and other resources. If they don't find the related data in the general platforms, they have to find data from other sources like reports and other documents. Businesses that badly need copy-paste data entry services. E-commerce and online retail. This business needs the service to manage its product listings, inventory, and customer data. Research and academic institutions. How data supports strategic and operational decision. Who needs copy-paste data entry services and why? Administrative and business services. Companies or real estate agencies need a copy-paste data entry company to get the data typed and organized efficiently. Healthcare and medical institutions. Copy-paste services are also helpful for keeping patient records, insurance claims, and several other medical documents. Finance and banking. Financial institutions also use copy-paste data entry services for entering and managing financial data, customer information. Media and entertainment. Media agencies also use copy-paste services for managing content and databases. Transportation and logistics. Such industries outsource copy-paste data entry services for managing customer information, shipping information. Manufacturing and retail. Manufacturing companies use copy-paste services for managing inventory, product information, and customer data. What are the services the company covers under copy-paste data entry? Copying and pasting the right information from the right data source or online site has no alternative. Your business performance will spike up when you get the right information from a reliable source. So, relying on an expert service provider like Data Entry Incorporated Company in India is the right decision to get their expertise in copy-pasting tasks. They have the proper skills and years-long expertise to get this job done for you. You'll get better outcomes with their service providers. Here are the services they cover under the copy-paste data entry service. Social media copy-paste service. Content migration service. Product description copy-paste service. Promotional dossiers copy-paste data entry services. URL copy-paste services. Metadata copy-paste service. Where does the service company collects data for copying and pasting? Service company has experienced staff with a committed team to deliver you the exact data for your business. They examine your requirements and take care of all your data needs to frame solutions accordingly. The company has expertise in collecting data from multiple sources and preparing separate databases to store the data. The following are the aspects of the services. Copy-paste from different websites, ebooks. To boost your marketing campaigns online, the service provider collects your reference information from multiple related online sites, ebooks, and even marketing materials. It is beneficial for you to target your audience better with the right data. Copy-pasting from email addresses. The company also promotes your products better via emails. They increase your brand's networking with the right collection of emails. The team dedicatedly copies emails from diverse sites with their URLs for your reference to bring success to your email marketing campaigns. Copy-pasting data from spreadsheets. To keep your data more organized and easy to access, spreadsheets play a crucial role. The copy-paste data entry service provider company swiftly migrates your data from one spreadsheet to another without any loss of data. Copy-pasting information from CVs. Manage candidates' data without hassle. For a smooth recruitment process is the assistance of a service provider company. Their team copies information from the candidate's CVs and pastes it into your dedicated database to make the data retrieval process also smooth for you. Copy-pasting data collection from software. Copying data stored in software like Xero and QuickBooks and store in a database becomes easy for further analysis. Also, the service providers paste data from your database into the related software as well. Apart from online copy-paste, the company also provides offline service as well. They also copy data from physical documents, handwritten notes, and other offline resources. Final words of outsourcing copy-paste data entry services. Make your work easy and smooth with a reliable service company in India. Use your resources to enlarge your business. Get critical insights about your customers with outsourced copy-paste data entry services of Data Entry Incorporated Company in India. Their team finds out all the available content on the web regarding customer information and copies the required that for you. Avail of the transparent process to scale up quickly with the industry's best security and competitive prices.